Welcome back guys to Gucci Blacks GCT. So today we'll be talking about trading companies and trading papers, important documents. Most people would like to know how to get rid of important documents without have to light fire to burn them. You can check out many trading companies. So how do trading companies trade their paper? Alright, our trained professional will come to you at your premises to take care of all your shredding needs using our mobile shredding trucks. Very important. Your document, hard drive and products can be destroyed on site, where you can watch the entire process of your peace of mind, so you will well known that all important documents are destroyed in your eyesight. So that simply show you that trading companies are very important, and that is well satisfying to me, because knowing that your important documents are burning on site in front of your eyes, that's one of the safest way to get rid of important documents that you don't want anyone to get their hand on. So once your information has been securely destroyed, you will receive an official certificate of destruction. Finally, all of the destroyed material will go to a designated recycle facility. Our mobile traders have capabilities that off the shelf commercial traders simply don't use, so using a professional trader company is a safer alternative to get rid of all your important documents. So guys, link up a trading company, get the important documents destroyed without have to light in any fire, getting the place hot, getting burned. So this is one of the best alternative. So now you see how important it is when the trading company is around. So it takes less stress off you, less problem, easy way to get rid of your important documents. So guys, now you know that our mobile trading trucks are equipped with large industrial paper shredders that shred and rip the papers in ways that your personal home shredder can. So with our convenient on-site shredding, we can come straight to your business or specific location for your haste and convenient. Your documents are destroyed immediately, so you can remain confident that your sensitive information won't get into the wrong hands. So personal information will be stay secure with our trading companies. So guys, get a trading company if you're working or have a company that deal with a lot of important documents and papers that you don't want to just throw in bin. Get a number for a trading company and it will be more secure and safe for you and your business. So thanks again for joining Gucci Blacks GCT. You can sit back and watch the process of how this thing works. So watch